They say like, what is wrong? So this means avidya, ignorance. So, for eradicating ignorance from life, it requires culture, cultivation. That is suggested in the next verse. Nasnata patham evanyam vadhaya abhibhavanti evang niyamakrit rajan sanai chemaya kalpate. That's like if you go to the physician and the physician is giving medicine and is taking the medicine and cured, again he is affected with the disease, again going. So, why it is happening? It is happening because he does not follow the rules and regulations given by the physician. That's what is happening. The physician, as soon as you go to a physician, you have to accept something, do not, and something do. That is called regulative principle. Without regulative principle, you cannot correct yourself. So that regulative principle also cannot stay if you are not a devotee. This is the gradual process. Simply, if I say follow the rules and regulations, it will not stay unless you become a devotee. That is the test of devotional service of Krishna consciousness. Because it is so powerful, devotional service, that as soon as you become a devotee, gradually, immediately, all the good qualities of your original position. Good qualities means you are part and parcel of God. So God is good, so you are also good. Otherwise, how can we be part and parcel of God? If God is gold, then I am gold. So, why I become iron? I am not iron, but I am covered with dirty things. I look like iron. This is the principle. Actually, I am not iron. I am gold, because I am part and parcel of God. If God is good, then I am good. So, because I am covered by the material dirty things, I look like not good. So this is the test. As soon as you become God conscious, your original or good qualities will manifest automatically. Jasyasti bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gunai tatra samasate sura arava bhaktasya kuto mahadguna manorathena asatu dhavato vai. Then, one who has got unflinching faith, devotion to the Lord, Jasyasti bhakti bhagavati akinchana, without any motive, then all the good qualities of God will manifest in him very soon. Kitram bhavati dharmatma sasnachanti nivacchati kaunti apratijani hi name bhaktaktanasati abhite suduracharo bhajati ma manannava sadhuriva samati. These things are there. The devotional service is so nice. If you simply take to devotional service, then all good qualities will come. You don't have to educate him to send some reformatory school or this or that. That will be explained. The devotional service, Krishna consciousness is so nice. If you simply take to Krishna consciousness, then all you are, because originally you are good, you have become bad on account of the material association. Therefore devotion means to be purified This is a purificatory process from material contents. Sarvopadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmalam. If you think vimarsana, if you think little soberly that I am thinking I am American or Indian. Am I American or Indian? This is upadhi, designation. By accident or somehow or other, I've got this body in America, therefore I am American. But next time, I may not take the American body. I may take another Chinese body or something else. So, one has to understand that I am neither American, neither Chinese, nor Indian, nor white, nor black. Aham Brahmasmi. I am spirit soul. Part and parcel of God. That is knowledge. We have to come to that. That is Brahma-bhuta. Brahma-bhuta prasannatma nasudati nagad samasarveshu bhuteshu madbhakti ravati para. So, this Krishna consciousness movement is to purify the designation. And so long we are in the darkness of this designation, that I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that. That is ignorance. Suppose a thief, he is thinking that if I do not steal, I cannot exist. I die. So I cannot stop stealing, I must go on. So this is ignorance. But if he thinks over that the cats and dogs and the birds and beasts, they are very nicely eating, they are not stealing anyone's, and whatever he gets by the grace of God, he is happy. This is not. Vimarsana. Ishavasumidam sadmam. Everything God's property. And we are all part and parcel, sons of God. So the property is for us. It is not for others. Just like father's property is meant for the son's enjoyment. That's a fact. See, if other sons, without any labor, without any endeavor, they can get their food, why I am stealing? This is knowledge. This is knowledge. Why I shall steal? There is enough food. But because I haven't got this knowledge that God is the proprietor, I am His part and parcel son, so if He has provided food for the elephant who eats at a time 40 kilos, he can eat, and I eat only, say, half a pound, I cannot eat. This is not. Why shall I steal? I shall depend on God. This is not. So this is Krishna consciousness. I am part and parcel of Krishna. I am God's partner. Why shall I stop? There are so many, out of 8,400,000 forms of life, 8 million forms of life are less than the human being. Human being only 400,000. Out of that, civilized men very few. Out of that, Americans are very few, Indians are very few. So, if so many 8,300,000 forms of life they can get without stealing, why shall I steal? This is not. Prayashchittam vivansanam. As soon as he becomes in quite perfect knowledge, then whole problem solved. So, this is the instruction of Srimad Bhagavatam. If we take seriously, then there is no problem. Otherwise, the problems will go on, and the so-called rascal scientists will give us bluff that we are making solution of all problems. It is never solved. It will never be solved in the future also, unless we take to Krishna consciousness. That is a path. If you like, you can take it, otherwise suffer. Thank you very much.